I left my iPhone on my amplifier because I picked this one up out of the armrest in the driver's seat. So it was taken out of the trunk of my car. I notified the front desk and asked if a phone had been turned in. One has not been. I have put it into lost mode. I want to show you some evidence I have. We're going to start with this. Checking my phone. Here's this one. And look. It looks to me, because this one's this one. I'm going to make it sound right now. Here's to find my alert. Now, look at that. It's showing the second one just a little bit to the hallway down. So, somebody has taken my phone. Here's this one. And look. It looks to me. That's first piece of evidence. Then we have this. That is in the parking lot because that's on this side of the street. And it's a little bit to the left of me. And I'm going to show you where that was right now. It was right to the left. Now watch what I took a picture of. Are you ready? Here we go. A little bit to the left of me in the parking lot. That's the vehicle that has taken my phone. Now, it's not over yet. I'll zoom in on it so that you can get a good look at the vehicle. Can't quite get the license plate, but that's where it was. In fact, it looks like you can see the driver, but I haven't investigated too much into that yet. Now, look at this. Now, it is outside of the parking lot and to the left. Watch. Are you ready? Look at that. My iPhone is across the street. And a little bit to the right. And what's outside my window? That house. So I walked over and I knocked on the door. Maybe I should have gone to the one next door also, because that one's a little bit to the right. Anyway, it'll be some good information for the police so that I can get my phone back. Have a good night.